Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. We're going to do 1982 Fleer. Let's see if we can pull that Cal Ripken. Maybe a Nolan Ryan. All right, little Padres. 1982. Steve Crawford. Come on. McBride. Come on. David Palmer. Dusty Baker. That one's pretty cool. Let's throw him back there with Pete Rose. There we go. Bucky Dent. Nice. Mr. Dennis Lamp. He's upset. He lost a light bulb. Mr. Dick. Oh, Jim Rice. Nice. Okay. Running our room back there. Checklist. All right. Not too bad. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's go.